My name is Jon Neill and I'm a pumpkin carver, and I'd love to show you how this all works. I've got a basic pumpkin carving kit that I'm selling on my website. 4 tools.
The trick with this tool is that it's a peeler pretty much, and you use it to get the skin off the pumpkin. So you lay it down pretty much flat like this and you just peel it away. One of my favorite tools is this one right here. You can use both sides really well, and it helps to do some shaping. So you can go in, you can get in there and really start shaping it. You can do eye sockets this way. This is a super delicate tool that has a little triangle on the end, and you don't want to force it or you'll break it immediately and you'll never discover its secret benefits to you as a carver. So this is one of the super deluxe tools that I've included in the basic toolkit. So check this out. So it's kind of like your sketching pencil, all right? Let's get super close, shall we? Here we come around and give a bottom eyelid like this. So I'm just sketching it on like I would if I was drawing with a pencil. All right, now I'm going to show you another tool. This special one. It's smaller. It's got 2 ends to it, and you can do some very nice things with it as well. But you can go along this edge and start shaving that eyeball in by just going across like this. Exciting, right? I know, you're not going to be able to sleep tonight. Metal or anything. Okay, so I can see this. I'm just going to go in, take that a little deeper. Okay, so there, very simply, that's the iris. Now you can get in here and make it kind of interesting using the same tool. Let's go in close, shall we? These 4 tools right here on my website.